Hey guys, this is a leash plug made of linen fiber and eco resin I just finished manufacturing, and in this video I will show you exactly how I did that. This is all part of a bigger project. I'm also building future fin boxes out of linen fiber, and this all goes into my attempt to build an eco board. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. But now let's start with this. To start off, I had to search for an object of the right size to build this mold. And when it came to the choice of a 30-sided cube and a billiard ball, I chose the cube because I imagined this would look pretty interesting, and that's where these numbers come from. Then I drilled holes into two pieces of wood which had the diameter of this cube. If I put the cube into the hole now, my mold is finished. Now I have to make it non-adhesive to the epoxy resin, and I do this by using primer wax and a release varnish. All this stuff I used for this you find in the description of the video. This combined creates a surface that makes the resin not stick to it. Then I laminated the fiber onto the mold. I could have used pretty much any fiber for that, but I wanted this to be a little bit more eco. Though I know there is no such thing as a perfect eco board or leash plug at the moment, because these materials are not 100% eco in terms of manufacturing and recycling. Okay, I will start with that. Alright, that should be enough. Yeah, it feels quite thick. Once the plug was laminated, I clamped on the upper part of the mold. Okay, now I want to apply lots of pressure here. See all the resin coming out, and here as well. I don't want this resin here because that might make it difficult to get this piece of wood off. So just let it flow out. I had to do some extra work to prevent the cube from getting pushed out. After the hardening process, I had to dismantle the plug from the mold, which again took some extra work because I botched a little bit while I made the mold. Okay, the next day this has hardened now. Let's get it apart. Look, here is a good place. Let's see which half gets loose first. Wow, nice, how cool looks that? Here you can see the numbers. This is the coolest leash plug you'll ever see. Well, at least it's the coolest leash plug I ever saw. Next time I will apply a layer of tape into the hole of the mold to prevent the resin from sticking to it. Okay, let's cut this out roughly. Then I made a metal stick out of a stainless steel screw and drilled a hole into the plug. In the end, I used this hack to make the plug round, and I sanded it with rough sandpaper to make the resin stick to it. Not perfect, but good enough. If I ever hurt you, your revenge will be so sweet. If you think this leash plug is not durable enough, then just use more fiber or use carbon fiber, put some foam around it. There are plenty of ways to make this more durable. See you next time. Otherwise, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.